Alright, so I made a video for the Raspberry Pi and I forgot to upload it. So you go to Canvas and you need to get you go to the files. You see it on the left side of the home page, files, and there's the two IR receiver modules, and you can just go to the right side of the file. There's three dots and you click download, and then here's a neat thing. You just go, you need the libraries, so you click on libraries there, and then you can just download this. You click here, download, see, and it's very cool. It downloads, you go to the downloads folder and it downloads libraries export zip, which is very cool. This other stuff here I made, it isn't even necessary. Now what happens is, here is one of the IR remote control. Remember, there was another one, IR remote Arduino code receiver module. Now it's not there anymore, and I'll show you why in a moment. So now I have the Arduino editor open, and I told it to, I said, okay, open the file, open, and Pi 203 is the name of your computer. There's downloads, and the IR remote receiver module, IR receiver module, not remote, was there. But when I opened it, it asked me if it was okay to move it. So what it does is it moves it to wherever it keeps the sketchbook. There it is. Blink. Well, I don't know where it is now, but it's in here somewhere. I remember where it keeps it. Now, how do you import the library? This is pretty cool. You go to Sketch menu, Import Library, Add Library, and you just look for the zip file. See here? Select the zip file or a folder. So we go to Downloads, and there is libraries export.zip, and we say OK, and it just loads the library, and it's very cool. So I've got it set up right now, and I've loaded it, and you just click this monitor, and now let's see, I have the power turned off. I'll turn the power on, and I press the remote buttons, and you'll see on the screen there you go, see, the code start coming up. Alright, sorry for this. I made this whole great video and I forgot to upload it to YouTube, but we got this here so you at least can get it going on. And then I did upload to YouTube the video excuse me, showing how to do the motor control with the Raspberry Pi.